What is going on, you guys? This afternoon we are out here at Quarry. We are going to shoot some Astro. Right now I'm with Rob, who's checking where to go, but should be good, so let's check it out. So guys, a bit of advice: if you are going to shoot Astro out here, definitely come here before the sun has gone down. Otherwise, you probably won't find your way here because it is a bit of a walk. There is a track here, as you can see behind me, but definitely come here while it's still got a bit of light. Alright, so we finally made it, so we're going to get set up, try and capture a few shots before the sun truly sets. Might put the drone up. So, hope you guys enjoy this next little drone montage. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little drone snippet video. At the moment, I'm just going around these rocks, trying to find different kind of pools to shoot in, so that when the stars finally come up, which they should do shortly, we can sort of line the shots up and shoot the reflection of the sky and get some nice, juicy reflection shots. So this is what currently walking around. See through there, it's pretty wild waves. So. Oh. Alright, so you can see pretty much right behind me there's a nice big puddle of water. So hopefully once it gets darker, like I said, and the stars come up, we should be able to get a nice reflection shot of the galaxy in the water, given that it's still enough. Awesome, sweet. Let's get shooting these stars. Alright, so as you can see, I have my camera currently set up. I have an 8-second exposure, so let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Okay, so that's really nice because you have the difference between the larger pillar and the smaller pillar on the left and right hand side is framing it, and then you also got the stars taking up most of the image as well. So that came out really nice. I'm also just going to try and move the tripod head around, so just try and move it left to right, try and see what different effects it comes up with. So let's give that a shot. Yeah, awesome. As you can see, it comes up with some really different kind of unique shots. Yeah, just something a bit different. Cool. Alright, so I'm just setting up my tripod in a different location. So because we have the Milky Way essentially coming from over this side, I'm going to try and capture it all kind of all in one image more or less. Okay, so I just got 2 captures from that one. And first off, it's not nearly as wide enough since the Milky Way is quite high in the sky at this point in time. So what we're going to try and do, I'm going to try and take some portrait shots, or some portrait orientated shots, and then I might try and stitch them together. Otherwise I might just keep them single as a portrait shot. So let's give that a try instead, as I don't think 16 is wide enough at this point in time. So I just have my camera set up next to the rock wall here. I'm going to take some long exposures and try and get some of the rocks more in the foreground and then have the sky in the background. So I'm just down here at the rock pools and the water is deceptively still. So that is great because it means that we can shoot the reflection of the sky, hopefully get a bit of foreground in it with the stone wall. Yeah, so I just have it set up in portrait mode. So let's shoot a few shots and see how it goes. So you can see that we got some nice reflections in the water there of the stone wall, and we also got the stone wall nice in focus there as well. Quite happy with how that one turned out, but I think we have got some good shots. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed another episode. If you like any of my photos, come follow me over on Instagram at Christoffy96EE. I'll put it on a link in the description. But with all that being said and done, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. See ya.